Working on cable harness design in Creo and need to access a cabling library? CLB files contain the component libraries that power your cable routing design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage these Creo cabling library files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure CLB formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. CLB files are cabling library files for PTC Creo Elements Pro, formerly Pro Engineer used in the Creo Cabling extension for cable harness design. They contain cataloged electrical component definitions, including connector models, wire specifications, cable bundle parameters, and routing rules for three-dimensional cable harness design and manufacturing documentation. Creo CLB cabling library files use a proprietary format, storing parametric connector component definitions with pin assignments, wire gauge, specifications, cable bundle configurations, and routing constraint rules. The library format enables standardized component selection during harness routing within the Creo cabling design environment. Your application default for CLB should ideally be Creo Elements Direct Cabling from PTC Inc. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows can't interpret complete 3D assemblies, so full evaluation requires professional modeling software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the CLB file and click Open with. Test Creo Elements Direct Cabling first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If you are still having trouble opening the CLB file, do not worry. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, loading in Creo. In PTC Creo, open the cabling application and configure the cabling library path to reference the CLB file location. Use the component catalog to browse available connectors, wires, and cable definitions from the library. Select components for placement in your cable harness, routing design following the library-defined specifications. Next, customizing library contents. Modify CLB library contents through Creo's cabling library editor to add custom connectors, update wire specifications, or modify cable bundle parameters. Define new connector models with pin count and spacing specifications. Add wire entries with gauge color and current rating data matching your organization's approved component lists. Finally, managing library standards. Distribute standardized CLB files across your engineering team to ensure all designers use approved connector types and wire specifications. Store CLB files on a shared network location referenced by each designer's Creo configuration. Update the library centrally and distribute changes to maintain consistent cabling design standards across projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.